when my father was in the hospital, so that is a very long satsang also, very different, very beautiful also. वो ऐसे था कि my husband at that time was not a believer. And हम लोग hospital में थे. My father, I was staying with my father that time. And my father suddenly got this attack. And of course, Guruji had told us everything. And he sent us that day, people also to help us. And we did not have money with us. So one of my cousins came and she gave me money. Hey, you continue with this till your brother comes from abroad. My brother was abroad that time. And we were in the hospital, but we had no help as such, where money was concerned. एक हमारे पास एक big box of दाल होता था, which my father had this thing came, which was in the kitchen. दाल का एक drum होता था मेरे डैडी के फार्म में से, और एक पपीते का पेड़ होता था. एक दो पेड़ थे जो पीछे मेरे फादर के घर में लगे हुए. My brother that time never understood. He also never gave us money for our personal use. So we used to eat either a papita ka sabzi till it lasted, or we used to have dal every day. We used to take it to the hospital and stay there from 8 o'clock in the morning till 9 in the evening. In between, sometimes my daughter would feel hungry. And it was very, very saddening to me that I cannot give her a full lunch. So I prayed also, and yes, गुरुजी को सुखमनी ने फोन किया कि गुरुजी हमारे पास बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है, and we remain hungry like this. तो हमारे पास दाल होती है and रोटी होती है, which we have. तो गुरुजी ने कहा, कहंदे रब रिजक कहंदे पत्थरां दे जीव ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦਿੰਦਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਗਾ. And after that, a person started coming, giving us soup and sandwiches. Then, and that's how we used to have. Then one day, Sukhmani got this thought, okay, let me take a bigger bag, because she is the one who used to go for the blood tests and things like that. So she wanted a bigger purse. घर आई, उसने एक नया, जो बॉम्बे से कहीं लेके आई थी पहले, नया पर्स निकाला, उसमें से अखबार निकाल के इसने साइड में करके, and she came with that bag. When she opened the zip pocket of the bag, there were 5 rupee coins in it, full of it. It's a small pocket, and through which we used to get samosas, or we used to get a coke for her and things like that. And those coins never finished till I shifted into this flat of mine. Now tell me, if Malik कितना प्यारा है, कितना दयालु है, उन्होंने हर एक चीज की फिक्र सी. कई बार उस कॉइन्स में से हम 100 रुपया, 200 रुपया भी बना लेते थे. And at the end of the billing time, when my father was no more, this caterer was also called. He says, I don't know these people at all. जो हमें सूप देता था and sandwiches लाता था. That's a different satsang. Again, very different, very beautiful. गुरु ने इतनी मदद की है, हम तो खत्म हैं, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है, हम undeserved लोग हैं, very small people, but we love him so much, and we just pray that keep us and the entire world in your sharan.
Thank you so much, It's okay, Auntie. I'm really, really grateful. मैंने पता है ताड़ा गला ठीक नहीं सीगा, but of being at Jalandhar or something like that.
Hanji,
please.
I'm okay. Whatever he puts in my mind, that is, I'll share that. एक बार he took me in his car from Jalandhar to Patiala. It was New Year, and I was sitting with him at the back. The car was going at such a speed that unbelievable. I mean, I felt it was not even touching the road probably. तो हम जाते जाते ये जो संत महाराज जी हैं जिन्होंने हमें भेजा था इनके पास, the one who had told me to meet him and all, वो आगे बैठे थे. तो after some time he starts a satsang, turns back and tells me, बीबा तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन है जो मैं आज बता रहा हूँ, आंसर कर रहा हूँ. I had a lot of questions about life, about death, and So he answered all my questions, and I just kept looking at Guruji. So short of Patiala, he tells me, he says, "Biba, je kuch mangna hai na Guru kolo, ta asli cheez mangi." So I turned around to Guruji. I was so foolish. I'm still very foolish. तो मैंने कहा, गुरुजी मैंने ना असली चीज देना. तो गुरुजी हंसन लग गए. कहते, सुखी जे गरम गरम चाह पी लेंगी ਤਾਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਸੜਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੜਦਾ ਹੈ? ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ, ਹਾਂਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਸੜਦਾ ਹੈ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ. That was my first trip with him, and he was so fast about everything. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਵੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਚਲਣਾ ਉਤਰਨਾ. मेरे वो स्ट्रैप वाले जूते थे, which I've never again worn in my life with him again. By the time I'm taking off my shoes or putting on, वो पहुंच भी जाते थे या कार च बैठ जाते थे. So eventually मैं अपने हाथ च फड़ के वो भाग लेती थी उनके साथ. Short of a place called गोबिंदगढ़, एक कर्व आंदा है. रात दा टाइम हो गया सीगा, तो हम लोग गोबिंदगढ़ थोड़ी देर रुके उनके साथ. शॉर्ट ऑफ गोबिंदगढ़ एक कर्व ऐसा आता है कि मैनू कहंदे, सुखी ਅੱਜ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦੇਖ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਾ, ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਦੇਖੇਂਗੀ. शिव जी ਦੀ ਬਰਾਤ. So I look back, और मेरे को लाइटिंग कार की है formed a mala of lights. मैनू कहंदे देख शिव जी ਦੀ ਬਰਾਤ. And you won't believe, it was such a beautiful नजारा. और मैं आज भी ये अरदास करती हूँ कि मालिक, ये जो माड़े टाइम है, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਏਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਜਿੱਦਨ ਵਕਤ ਆਏਗਾ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਾ ਰਹੇ. वो तो इतना दयालु गुरु है, full of love. He was just a bundle of love. But here I will give you another satsang. गुरु कहंदे सी, मैनू संगत बहुत प्यारी है. जे संगत प्यार करती है तो गुरु प्यार करते हैं. तो हमें ईर्खा, हमें किसी के साथ एनी काइंड ऑफ कंपटीशन ये नहीं रखना. हमने गुरु के नजदीक जाना है. इसका मैं इसलिए आज एक सत्संग सुना रही हूँ, बिकॉज हमारे लिए भी एक लेसन था. हमें किसी के घर में ठहराया गुरुजी ने एक बार, एंड वो लोग वेल ऑफ थे. दे गेव अस वेरी गुड ब्रेकफास्ट. बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने ऐसी बातें उन्होंने की, सत्संग भी करते थे. लेकिन जिस कमरे में हमें ठहराया, इट वॉज लाइक अ सर्वेंट क्वार्टर. बाथरूम टूटा हुआ था, पॉट वॉज ब्रोकन, सिंक वॉज ब्रोकन. मेरे फादर हमारे साथ थे. हमें हुक्म होता था 5 कपड़े और एक ब्लैंकेट रख के हमेशा मेरे साथ मेरे पास आना है जब भी आओ. तो द बेड शीट्स वर सॉइल्ड. मेरे फादर, सर्दियों का टाइम था, हमने अपना ब्लैंकेट मेरे फादर को दिया. उनका जो एक पतला था, सुकनी एंड मैं से शेयर्ड. तो very difficult time, passed the night. Water in the morning, we would get about quarter a bucket of hot water for 3 of us, which we would give most of it to my father, and हम लोग एक sort of a wash ही लेते थे. Breakfast खाया, सत्संग किया, पहुंचे मंदिर. गुरुजी कहते, क्यों सुखी, comfortable? मैं क्या, हाँ जी गुरुजी comfortable. अच्छा, फिर एक रात हो रहा है. Again the mind would say कि हुक्म तो मालिक दा हैगा. Again we stayed another night. Again second day we went back. सुखी, comfortable? हाँ जी गुरुजी, एक रात हो रहा है. ठीक है महाराज. Again the third night we stayed there. And previously we came to know some more people stayed there, but they ran away and went to booked into a hotel. उसके बाद this family's son was to get married, and Guruji used to say, don't do it over here. The wedding will not be successful, don't do it. But I guess it was karma or whatever, they did not listen. And Guruji also never went for the wedding. We also happened not to go that day for the wedding. Later on, we came to know that there was a dowry case against them. They were put behind bars, and their property, their house, everything had to be sold. So I'm not saying that because of us or anything. It is Sangat. Guruji used to say, Guru number 1, Bhagat. Sangat Guru number 2, Rab तीसरे number ते आंदा है. इसलिए we have to learn to respect each other. And जे संगत प्यार कर दी है तो गुरु definitely प्यार करेगा. This was a very big lesson for us to learn. And आज तो ऐसा टाइम है कि किसी का बुरा सोचो ही नहीं, ना झूठ बोलो. Let us mend our ways, क्योंकि उसने तो हमारा अंदर से देखना है. हम सबको चीट कर लेंगे लेकिन उसे नहीं कर सकते. This is what I'll say. Thank you so much.